What if you could own a business that thrives during crises and performs even better during economic uncertainty? 911 Restoration is a water damage and property restoration franchise operating in one of the most recession-resistant industries in the world. When disasters strike, homeowners and businesses need immediate help. From water and mold to fire and sanitation services, this brand delivers essential solutions when they matter most. Founded in 2003 and franchising since 2009, 911 Restoration has built a proven system backed by in-house certification, franchisor-managed digital marketing, and local lead generation support. Top-performing franchisees generate millions in annual revenue, powered by emergency-driven demand and a scalable team-based model. This is a home-based operation with comprehensive training provided. No prior restoration experience is required. The initial total investment starts at $161,400. Inside the full info pack, you will see what other owners are typically earning and insights into the day-to-day operations of this business. Add 911 Restoration to your top picks and request the info pack now.